Did you know that worms can grow back their butts? They can also regrow parts of their brains. It's kind of like a superpower, but it's not. It's just science. Hi, I'm here with Minute Earth. When you get a paper cut, your body knows to send platelets and red blood cells to the wound to stop the bleeding and then start the healing process. But those cells don't just show up where they're needed. They have to be told to go there by chemical signals. And if the cut is deep enough, those signals will include instructions for growing new skin cells to replace the ones that were lost. For a long time, we thought that this kind of regeneration was unique to us humans and some of our animal relatives. But in 2019, scientists showed that the flatworm Schmidtia mediterranea can do the same thing. Like us, these worms can regrow entire sections of their bodies, including parts of their brain and their nervous system. All they need is a little nudge in the right direction. When a planarian is decapitated, its head end begins to secrete a cocktail of signaling proteins. These proteins travel down the length of the worm, creating a sort of chemical trail leading to the injury. And just like when you get a paper cut, the cells that make it to the wound site first form a clot to stop the bleeding. Then other cells move in to start the healing process. The most amazing part, these are the same proteins that are released when a human gets a paper cut. We seem to have a lot more in common with these worms than I would have guessed. But why do they do this? Well, when a planarian is chopped up, each piece that contains a fragment of brain can regrow the rest of the worm. So growing a tail isn't just a neat trick. It's an essential part of their life cycle. Now, even though these worms can regrow lost body parts, they can't do it over and over again. Each time they regenerate, they get shorter and smaller. And if they lose too much of their body, say half of it, they can't regrow the missing piece. Instead, they just get smaller and smaller until they can't divide anymore. The good news is that means they won't be chopped up into pieces infinitely. The bad news is that means they can't live forever. So do you have any favorite animals that you wish could live forever? Tell me about them in the comments below. And while you're there, don't forget to subscribe.